So this final section is just a bit of advice from me to you on how you can leverage the system to look great in your project. And I've got 4 pieces of advice. Number 1 is if you're running a risk workshop, you can use the AI components of the system to take a view on the uncertainty before you even walk in. Now, what that means is that you'll already have triggers for people to go off. It's much easier for people to go, well, I don't think it's that, than it is for them to create numbers out of their head. What this does is shorten down the time to run the workshops, and it also means that you can get to more specific answers faster. The second piece of advice is I highly advise to rerun a QSRA for every single change. If a change comes through and it hasn't impacted the critical path, normally it's a bad idea to say no impact. We can rerun the QSRAs and say what the risk impact is, and risk carries money. The third element is outside of the system, is to make sure you talk to your commercial department to get the value of a day. What is the cost or the benefit of a day of delay or acceleration on a P position? If you have that, then you're able to talk in numbers, not just time. And the fourth element is simulate, simulate, simulate. If you have an idea or something happens on the project or a delay occurs or there's an idea for a risk change or it's an individual team thinks they can remove uncertainty or whatever else, you can simulate it very quickly to see how it's going to impact your project. If you've got the value of a day, if you're understanding what the key dates of your project are and what the risk distribution means for them, you are able to very quickly talk in the language of money and time. So you can say, for example, if you are able to remove all uncertainty from these activities, we will save X days, which equates to Y pounds on this P position. With those things, you stand a good chance of looking amazing.